Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the best AI features that you might didn't know about on OPPO Reno 14. Okay, so let's begin. We can open up our browser first, maybe, and I'll show you a few things how we can use our AI in the browser first. So let's open some article or any page, for example this one, and now let's click on accept. That's no matter actually. Now to launch the AI in our browser, we need to launch our sidebar first. It's right in here on the right side. We need to slide just like that, and in here we have the smart functions. We have the AI summary and the AI speak. So the AI summary works in that way that it scans the screen first, and then it's copying the text that we have on our page. Let me show you how it works. Click on AI summary. Okay, and you can see that AI has started to copy the text that we had on this page, and we will be able to copy it, for example, also save it in our notes pretty quick. So it's really convenient and comfortable feature. In here we can copy the whole text, share with it, or save to notes. For example, we can click on save. Let's open up our notes right now, and you can see that our text has been successfully saved and automatically pasted in one of our notes. Pretty cool thing. Saves a little bit of a time and also looks pretty cool. When it comes to the second option on the AI in the browser, it's the AI speak. It will simply start reading the text that we have on the page, and we don't have to.
Two versions of AirPods Pro, 3 coming with these differences. Apple is preparing to launch 2 versions of the AirPods Pro 3 over 2025 and 2026. According to a Weibo leaker, yesterday, supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo reported that Apple is planning to debut the AirPods Pro 3 this year.
So we can say that simply the AI is reading the whole text that we had on this page, and we don't need to, read manually. We can simply listen to the AI speak. We can change the voice from male into female right in here, and also we can select the speed of the recording. So that's how it works in the browser. Now we can go, for example, into the notes, because in here we also have some AI features. We have this text from the AI summarize, and we can also do some things with it. For example, when you open up this bar, we can use the AI writer. It will scan the text. Now we can simply type what we want to. We need to describe what we want to write. So let's say that that's under the write option. Let's say we want an invitation to the party, for example. Now click on generate, or also you can also change the tone. It can be formal, casual, or polite. So let's make it, for example, casual, and click on generate. And you can see that AI has generated the invitation for our party. We can also change the tone again. For example, now let's make it a formal. That's how it looks like. We can use the rewrite option. We can also continue the writing, elaborate it, or translate it, for example, into the Polish. If you click on continue writing, it adds more details into the text that we have just selected, so we can see how it works when it comes to that. That's the AI write. Of course, there's more things such as check option, enter text to be checked, or rewrite option, enter text to be rewritten. You can also play with those things. We also have the AI notes right in here. When we are in one of our notes, we can click on that icon on the bar on the left side, and we can change the format of our note. We can perform a cleanup, translate it into Polish, use the continue writing feature, elaborate, shorten the text, make it formal or the casual. So for example, let's select the format. You can see that the text has been selected, and the AI is simply modifying it to make it look simply better. Just like that. Pretty cool thing. We can click on replace. And now it looks in better way. Also, next thing is performing a cleanup. Just like that. Also, if you click on refine, in here also you can change, you can make elaborate, shorten it, and make it formal or the casual. But I want to discard the changes. Let's use the AI again. We can use the continue writing feature. Okay, you can see that now the AI is automatically generating the new text. Okay, we can click on insert. Boom, and it has been added into our note. Now let's try to, for example, to shorten it. Okay, now we can click on replace. Boom, and the AI did the job. Now let's select the whole text again, the whole page, and let's try to elaborate it right now. Okay, you can see that AI is generating a new text, a new note. All right, it's pretty long. Okay, so that's how you can use your AI. So it can really boost your productivity. It saves a lot of time, and I highly recommend using this feature. Pretty cool thing. Wow, it's pretty long, actually, so let's wait until it's finished, and then we will try to use the shorten option. We also will be able to see how much new words has been added. Okay, so now let's replace it. Wow, and we can see that 1800 words were added when we have used the elaborate option. So that's pretty wild. Now let's try to shorten it. Let's see how many characters and how many words will be deleted to make a new space, and simply to shorten it. Click on replace, and boom. It didn't show us how many characters it was, but it was like, I think, like 2000 or something like that, because in here, before we have used this option, there was like 2200 characters, I think. Okay, so let's use the last option. Maybe let's make it formal, and we'll be done with this AI in the notes. Okay, just like that. So I highly recommend using all of those AI features that I have just shown you. Click on replace, and that's all. Also, pretty cool thing is another AI which is a little bit hidden. Go into the settings, scroll down, find accessibility and convenience, scroll all the way down, and you select the Mindspace. And Mindspace allows us to simply save the content that we want in one place. So we can see it right in here. Swipe up with three fingers to add on-screen content as a memory. Summarize and categorize, protect your privacy. We have a home screen shortcut. Make sure it's enabled right in here. When you enable it, in here we will have all of your memories. And now let's try to use it. So let's launch some page in browser, for example. Now let's slide with three fingers. Okay, you could see this animation. Now it's saying that it's analyzing. You can also see the icon next to the camera, and now it has been added into our Mindspace. So you can see that our memory from the Chrome has been successfully added. In here we have like the preview of the screenshot of this page, and in here also the AI summary worked, so it has copied the text, and we can, for example, quickly select it and copy it. Select the text, select all, and you can copy it. Pretty cool thing. Also worth trying on your own. So I also recommend the mind space feature. The next thing is the Gemini. That's the AI assistant. And thanks to this AI, we can also do pretty cool things. We can save a time. It also looks pretty cool. And we can get help from the AI if we don't know something. So for example, let's say that we need to set an alarm at, let's say, 10 p.m. tomorrow because, I don't know, we need to do something important. Let's say we need to go to the party. Maybe that's not the most important thing in life, but that's an example, of course. We don't need to set this alarm manually. We can simply ask the AI to do it for us. To launch the Gemini, you can use the app, or you can use the shortcut on the power button. To launch the Gemini from the shortcut, simply hold the power button for around 1.5 seconds and then the Gemini will launch. If you are using it for the first time, in here on the bottom you will have to click on next and you need to simply accept. So now let me show you how it works. Set an alarm at 10 p.m. and name it Go to the Party.
I've set an alarm for 10 p.m. with the label Go to the Party.
Alright, AI says that it has been saved, so let's open up the clock app, alarms, and you can see that AI did its job and it has saved our alarm that we have wanted. So it worked just like it should. Of course, that's not the only thing what we can do with the AI. So let's try to do something else. Let's say that we are hungry and we want to eat some, I don't know, Thai food. That's an example. Let's ask the AI where is the nearest restaurant. Where is the nearest Thai restaurant?
The nearest Thai restaurant is Far East. Restauracja azjatycka, Kraków, Bronowice, located at Piastowska 30 30070 Kraków. It is 100 meters away and open until 8 p.m. today. Here are
Okay, so in here we have all addresses and how we can get there. Also pretty cool thing, it saves some time. Also, when it comes to the Gemini itself, we can use the live mode or the camera mode, for example. To do it, hold the power button, click right in here, and now the live mode enabled. When it comes to the live mode, you can talk with the AI in real time, share your thoughts with him, ask for some information, for ideas. Let me show you how it works. You know what? I have to get to Poznań from Kraków. Could you please tell me what is the fastest way there? I want to travel by car.
Alright, driving's definitely an option. The fastest route by car from Kraków to Poznań is usually along the A4 and A1 highways. It's about a 5 to 6 hour drive, depending on traffic. You'll want to factor in potential tolls and rest stops along the way. Do you want me to help you find the best route on a map, or are you looking for something else?
Find the best route on the map, please.
So the fastest route from Kraków to Poznań is about 5 hours and 15 minutes via the A4 and S5. Would you like me to find the route on Google Maps for you?
Yes, please.
Well, I can't use Google Maps yet while we chat. For now, going from Kraków to Poznań, you'll likely take the A4 motorway towards Wrocław, then switch to the S5 expressway heading north towards Poznań. It's generally the quickest way to go.
Alright, so we can see that The live mode also works pretty cool. Don't worry, for example, if the AI, the Gemini told you some address, if you click on the X button, all of your conversations are registered in the history, and in here, for example, you can see that everything, all of my conversation has been translated into the text. Also, and in here we can see all of those routes that we should take to get to Poznań. So you can easily copy it, paste it into the Google Maps, and you'll know how to get there simply. Also, we have the camera mode in the Gemini. Let me show you. Click right in here, open the settings, and we need to allow the Gemini to use it. Okay, camera.
Okay, I can help with that. To allow Gemini to use your camera, open your phone settings.
Okay, I know. Wait a second. Now it should be able. Okay, and now the AI will also be able to describe the items that it see on the screen that on which we'll be pointing at, and it can also, for example, search for those things in the internet. Let me show you. Okay, can you see the camera?
Yep, I can see your keyboard now. What would you like me to do with it?
Nothing with the keyboard, but next to me I have this rose. It's like for batteries. It's a fake plant, of course. Could you please tell me where can I get similar ones? Because I would like to buy another one.
That's a neat rose light. You can likely find similar ones online by searching for artificial rose nightlight or rose flower lamp. Would you like me to help you look for some options?
Okay, that was like, the quick showcase how you can use it. Of course, I highly recommend to find all of those, to find out how all of those features work on yourself. Also, we have one more mode. We have share screen with live. We can select entire screen and click on start.
So I can't actually click on anything myself, but I can definitely help you out. What are you looking to do?
I want to surf the internet.
Great. You can use the Internet app with the blue globe icon on your home screen. Tap it to start browsing.
Can I get other apps to browse the internet?
Sure thing. You can find more internet browsers in the App Store. Just tap the App Market icon, the one that looks like a shopping bag, on your home screen. Then, search for Internet Browser to see all the options.
Could you take a screenshot, please, of my home screen?
Sorry, I can't take screenshots yet.
So what you can do when you are in the screen view mode?
Screen view is great for showing things, but it doesn't have all the features of a regular call. You can't use your camera or share your screen to show me what's going on.
To stop sharing, simply click right in here. And now it was like the preview, how you can use all of those AI features that we have on this OPPO. In my opinion, those are the most interesting. Also, I highly, of course, recommend to search for yourself. Maybe you'll find something even more interesting. But those features that I have shown you, in my opinion, are simply the best. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.